All right, the ice bucket, water cups, pamphlets. I think these are called wave phones. Disney guide. A mirror. This door attaches to the room next to us. We don't have access, obviously. And here's our artwork. All the 4 ships. Yes, love. Goodbye. You can see our porthole is showing live video of outside right now, which is a parking lot because we haven't, excuse me, taken off yet. Say hi, babe.
Hi, babe.
All right, here's our little couch. And this table is kind of cool. The Wonder doesn't have this. Babe, can you show them? It has storage space inside, which is awesome. We could throw our shoes in there and all that good stuff. So this has a fridge, a little mini fridge. We have our waters in there already. Cute. We get a pen, stationery, postcards. There's 2 of them. Let's see. All about the internet. And then these are cards so that you can order your breakfast to your room in the morning if you want to. And these are the options that they have. There's a blow dryer. And this is awesome. I need one of these for home. To put your hot styling tools on it. It's a Hot Tools mat. Closet. Here's a life jacket. It has hangers. There's my backpack down there. More life vests. More hangers. This is backpack. A safe. A laundry bag if needed. Let's go and go to the bathroom. We have a mirror. So the first time we went on a cruise, they actually had travel size shampoos and conditioners. It looks like they did away with that and they're going a little more earth friendly. So now it's just in your shower. And that's what the shower looks like. There's a bath. So if you need to give a baby a bath, or if you want to take a bath, then you can do that. Right here is a map just in case there's an emergency. AC unit. And here you have to put your card in to be able to turn on the lights. So that's it, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this quick room tour of room 7033.